When it comes to heavy-duty vehicle maintenance, the VEVOR Portable Car Lift stands out as a reliable and powerful tool built for performance and safety. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this car lift at the latest price available. With a lifting capacity of up to 7,000 pounds and a maximum height of 26.8 inches, this portable car lift is ideal for trucks, SUVs, and long-wheelbase vehicles. Built from Q235B carbon steel, the lift is incredibly strong and stable, ensuring maximum durability and confidence during use. Whether you're in your home garage or on a professional service job, its universal fit and rugged construction provide excellent adaptability. This lift is engineered for safety and ease of use. It features mechanical safety locks that secure the vehicle once it's raised, preventing any unwanted movement during inspections or repairs. You also get 4 lifting columns that are adjustable by up to 3.2 inches, offering a flexible lifting height from 10.24 inches to 26.8 inches. Additionally, the included lifting pads allow a range from 6.5 inches to 20 inches, making it easy to work underneath your vehicle. These design features make it suitable for a wide range of maintenance tasks, from routine checks to more intensive undercarriage work. Storage and portability are also a major highlight of this model. Thanks to its foldable design and 4 high-strength nylon casters, you can easily move and store the lift when it's not in use. The inclusion of 2 sturdy handles allows you to hang it on a wall using hooks or nails for even more space-saving convenience. Plus, VEVOR provides a complete set of accessories including rubber pads, extension plates, hoses, bolts, and more, everything you need for a smooth and hassle-free setup. For mechanics, auto enthusiasts, and DIYers alike, this car lift delivers professional-grade functionality in a compact, portable format.